We are opening it up.
Gweike G2 Pro 30-watt fiber laser. Got a nice manual there. Actually in English, looks nice. Little case with our little cheapo laser glasses. But it is nice. Nice case. It's even got like a polishing cloth.
Yeah.
That's kind of nice. Various parts. Oh, we even got it's a little test material, aluminum postcard, so we'll be able to test that out.
Great.
Various cords. Yes, looks like the actual laser itself. That's pretty exciting. It's got a little cheap cover that probably won't stay on there very well, but it's alright.
It's small, isn't it?
It's not big. Yes. Got a little included ruler for measuring the space, which is kind of a nice touch. Right. The included cover with fan, which we'll have to make something to attach to that to kind of suck out the fumes.
Yep.
There we go. Yes, this is our workspace. Yep, this is our workspace. It's got a removable area in case you want to burn through to something up underneath it.
Well packaged.
Very, very well packaged. Very nice. Hopefully FedEx didn't mess it up too much by leaving it sitting
In the rain?
out in the wet for a little while. This is our additional shield. Comes with. Leave it alone, Blue. It's not for you.
Really?
So that attaches onto this guy to mate up. We're setting it down on top of workspaces. Little piece of cardstock for alignment. Which
Nice.
is pretty cool. I like that.
It's great that it comes with that.
And we got the actual laser.
Whoa, there you are.
So,
Let's get a sideways view.
just got a little dongle with the
Yeah.
USB.
Awesome.
All right, good deal.
Cool.